Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Monday, April 29th, 2019. After over a year of low activity at the Colima volcano in Mexico, the volcanic alert level has been raised from green to yellow on the 26th, following a recent increase in seismic activity, which indicates new growth of the lava dome. The exclusion zone has now been extended to 8 kilometers. Since the 23rd, a series of small earthquakes up to magnitude 1.4 has rattled the southern ridge of volcanic Tenerife Island. This type of seismic activity is very unusual at this location. The last eruption from the Tbrat volcano was in 1909, but some of the quakes registered in the past few days have been aligned with the volcanic cones or emission craters of an eruption that occurred in the Orotava Valley in the 1430s. Scientists will continue to monitor the situation closely. On the 28th, there was a magnitude 6.2 earthquake near Bucaramanga, Colombia, at a depth of 167 kilometers. A bizarre weather phenomenon has been devastating the Middle East for the entire month of April. Heavy snowfall and extreme flooding and dust storms have caused bizarre ice floods to sweep across the deserts in Saudi Arabia, Iran, and the United Arab Emirates, killing dozens of people and damaging homes and infrastructure. The plunge in temperatures has perplexed meteorologists in a region that typically experiences sunshine at this time of year. On the 28th, residents of Kampong, Sukabumi, Indonesia were left terrified after a huge 16-meter by 12-meter sinkhole suddenly opened in a rice field just 10 meters from their homes. The collapse caused a loud noise, and rumblings were felt several hundred meters away. On the 23rd, a large fireball exploded in the sky over Costa Rica. There were several reports of flashes in the sky and loud booms. Debris from the object was believed to have made a hole in the roof of a resident of Alajuela and is being analyzed to determine the origin.